Okay.
So Northampton was in between London and York. So if the king was ever going from London to York, he would stay here.
Let's go. I did go Ghana to catch a good time. So this pretty.
Station is St Andrew's Road. That's where our university was. So
Yeah.
we had a huge university, but we were very revolutionary people, so we lost that for quite some time. What I was just talking about is if you have a look at all these buildings, most of them are listed, so they've been here for a long time, they can't be changed.
Okay.
So there is a lot of history. We also had a Saxon castle down by St Peter's Church. There's lots of history there as well, but a lot of it's uncovered, so you have to walk around slowly and look up at the buildings.
Yeah.
So you'll see there's a lot more here than you think.
So what of the university? You said something about the university. I've seen University of Northampton.
Yeah, so that's fairly new, so I can't say exactly when we were allowed to have a university again. I don't know the date, but we had that in, that was the University College that was over that side of the town, and then it was rebuilt down by, it's called the Waterside campus. That's huge, it's a really beautiful campus.
Right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
In the beginning, there was time. No room for darkness to take place.
I know my beautiful to see you. I'd leave it all for you. I'd leave it all. Thank you very much, man. Thank you.
Good luck. Just want to know what's spectacular about this city.
It's not a city, it's a town.
The town.
Sorry, yeah. It's a nice and easygoing town. We got a lovely market, fruit market and vegetable market there.
Yeah, I've been there.
Yeah, even there, it's Monday to Saturday. You can buy a lot of tropical fruits and fresh vegetables.
So what else do you like about Northampton?
It's nice and quiet.
Nice and quiet.
But
All right.
yeah. I still live in Wembley, not London.
Wembley.
Wembley.
Okay.
It's busy.
Oh yeah.
It's sort of. You can park your car front of your own house. But yeah, it's okay.
Calling for the light. In the mystery of life. Every night has come to this. On every star we'll make a wish. All my life I fought for this. And you.
How is the city? How long have you been here?
All my life.
All your life?
Yes.
What can you say about this city?
I love it. Yeah. I love it. Everybody's friendly. That's nice, Ty. Get in on this camera. Get in.
Everybody's friendly.
Apart from him, and he just runs off.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 5 years. I'm an upcoming artist. My name is Bossman Riley. If you want to find me, I've got an Instagram page of Bossman Riley 1234. Anytime you want to come for an interview, we got Inspiration FM that's over there. I'm on Inspiration FM every Tuesday from 4 to 6.
4 to
they
6.
can come, they can listen in, and there's going to be better interviews with other upcoming artists and other people. I'm also a DJ, I'm also a dancer, I'm an entertainer, I'm a comedian, I'm everything. Yeah.
Good one. I wish you all the luck, bro. Keep hustling, keep pushing, don't give up.
Yeah, man.
Bossman Riley, all the way from...
Away from Northampton, strictly from Zimbabwe.
Oh, you're from Zimbabwe?
Yeah, man.
Good one, lad. Cheers, bro. Met one of our subscribers that just came to Northampton.
University of Northampton.
Is what you came for?
Yeah, came to study computer science.
So why do you choose the city then?
Oh, I chose the city because I have an uncle that lives in London. He just recommended
This place for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So I believe you enjoy it.
Yeah, I will, hopefully. Thanks.
What course?
Computer science.
Computer science. Right. You picked the right course. Congrats and welcome to
Thank you so much,
UK.
bro.